If you are wanting to know how to apply stick deodorant for the first time, this is your video. So it's fairly simple to do. So you can get any stick deodorant, and if it's brand new, you pop off the cap, and usually there's going to be a plastic protector right on the very top. The only thing you have to do is grab it and fully pull it off. That's going to expose the new deodorant stick. And what you're going to do is on the very bottom, sometimes they'll have the little dial here that you just turn this way if you're facing the cover, but this particular one has the whole bottom as you turn. So the only thing you have to do is go counterclockwise, which is to your left, to get enough deodorant stick to come out, not too much. And then you want to make sure that your body's completely clean. You just got out of the shower, you just took a bath, and you completely are dried off, so there's no moisture underneath your underarm. And the only thing you have to do, of course, is just raise your arm, and it doesn't matter if it's a stick or the roll-on. The only thing you have to do is just go over 2 or 3 times, hitting the underarm where the hair would grow, or if you do have hair. And that's pretty much it. Let me know in the comment section if you have any questions, and let me know what kind of deodorant that you have. All right, make sure you subscribe.